Tired of dealing with supplier refunds and discounts the old-fashioned way? Let's dive into how to enter a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online, making sure your accounts payable are accurate and your finances are crystal clear. First, navigate to the plus new button in the upper left-hand corner. This is where you'll start most transactions in QuickBooks Online. Under the Vendors column, select Vendor Credit. This opens the Vendor Credit form, where you'll record the details of the credit. In the Vendor field, choose the supplier who issued the credit. This is super important for proper tracking. Next, enter the date of the vendor credit and the credit amount you received or are expecting. Make sure these match the documentation from your vendor. Now, in the Category Details section, select the appropriate expense account the credit applies to. This could be supplies, materials, or any other relevant account. In the Description field, you can add details about the credit for future reference. Once done entering details, select Save and Close. Now, to apply the vendor credit to an outstanding bill, open the bill you want to apply the credit to and in the bottom right-hand corner, select the credit option. This will then apply the credit to your bill. Enter the amount you want to apply from the vendor credit to the bill, then click Save, and that's it. You've successfully entered and applied a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. Now you can say goodbye to messy tracking and hello to perfectly balanced books.